Hi, good people. Welcome again to my YouTube channel. There's a place called Mudoki Lounge. It's in Machakos County. It's like a nature place, a very beautiful place. Wow. The houses are very beautiful. You people, you can't get enough of this place. It's another hidden gem. Just at Wamunyu, easily accessible. Place looks so nice. Look at that. Africanish, African. Eish. Look at that. Looks so good. Yes, there's a fireplace. At night, you can come warm yourselves over here. Nakaa tu poa. Yes, such a good place. A nice place to relax, to unwind, fresh air, everything, kila kitu. The nature walk continues. Yeah. Yeah. Such a wonderful place to be. Now we are heading to the cottages. Wow. Nakaa vizuri. Hii ni nini? Nakaa poa. So good. Wow. Beautiful weaver birds. Oh, these are the tents where you sleep. That's the first one. Kuna zingine pale. We have others over there. Others over there. Wow. Another one over here. Wow. Wow. Such a beautiful place. A very quiet place. What you can hear, they're just sounds of birds. Wow. Wow. So beautiful. I can't lie. This place, it's heavenly. It's wonderful. Beautiful. Looks so good. Yay! We have more tents over that side. Such a forested area. That's a forested area. Then, now from here, they still have a dam. We are heading down to the dam. Umeona uto to wild animals. Yeah, we're still having some wild animals inside here. I've seen antelopes. Hiyo ingine sungura. I don't know the name of the other one, the other wild animal down there. It's a good place. Wow. Can't get enough of it. Looks so good. So wonderful. So beautiful. Sort of like a nature. I don't know the best name to use. Yes. Then there is a name given to the name, the way we call it in our local language, that is in Kamba. We refer to it as this. Don't know how many will be able to pronounce it. Like that. It's called silanga. It's called silanga. Wow. I don't know whether you can see some the ducks. Wow. That's the dam. It has just the ducks and some other birds over there, just enjoying themselves in water. Yeah, such a wonderful place to be. Look at the forested area. It's densely, it is completely forested. Yes. Wow. I've really enjoyed the walk. Wow. Wow. A duck over there. Oh, yay. It's over there. Yes. Wow. Wow. Such a heavenly place to be.